Hello, I'm Dark Doopliss, and today, I'm going to destroy Kia with an RPG, because I hate that car dealership so much. Yes! I destroyed Kia with an RPG. Yes! I destroyed Kia with an RPG. Yes! I destroyed Kia with an RPG. Good riddance to that car dealership. Now to run away before I get caught.
Stop. Right there.
Oh no! It's Junior Poke the Future Emma and Dmitry Mikhailov fan.
Dark Doopliss, did you destroy Kia with an RPG? Tell me the truth, right now.
Well, you're going to be so furious when I tell you, but yes, I destroyed Kia with an RPG.
Dark Doopliss, how dare you destroy Kia with an RPG? You know that car dealership took forever to build, and now we have to pay a lot of money to build it again. That's it. I will call your parents about this. Go home now. Hello, Dark Doopliss's parents. Your son Dark Doopliss destroyed Kia with an RPG. Can you ground him for this? Okay. Thanks. Goodbye. Alright, now to rebuild Kia by using Plotagon logic. Yes, I finally rebuilt Kia by using Plotagon logic. Now I'm going to head inside and check out some amazing cars
at Dark Doopliss's house. Dark Doopliss, we can't believe you destroyed Kia with an RPG. You know that car dealership took forever to build, but luckily, Junior Poke the Future Emma and Dmitry Mikhailov fan was able to rebuild Kia by using Plotagon logic.
I strongly agree with your father, but still, you are grounded for 63 days. Go to your room, right now.
I hate my life so much.